Namaste to all dear warriors. I thought of you to give one more video relating to profession as a profession related problem. One question also we didn't do in YouTube. So let us solve one professional related problem. Here you can see the following is the receipts and payment account of Mr. Bayrol Shah, रेसिडेंट लॉयर. सो एडवोकेट की इनकम कौन से आते, एडवोकेट के लिए कौन से एक्सपेंसेस है. ओनली वी नीड टू कंसिडर प्रोफेशनल रिसीप्ट्स एंड प्रोफेशनल पेमेंट्स फॉर दिस पर्पस. ओके, फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2022. So opening balance, closing balance you ignore, these will not come. Arbitration fees, it is income. Legal fees, legal consultancy fees, income. Loan from bank will not come. Rent from property comes under house property. Interest on bank FD, this comes under other source. Dividend from Tata Limited, other source. But dividend income is less than what we call 10 lakh rupees, so that is not taxable. Tata Limited is Indian company. Share of income from HEF, this is also income from HEF will not come here. Okay, and it is also exempted from tax. Okay, section 10 के exemptions में आता हूँ. Next expenses, let us see the expenses. Staff salary is expenditure, you can take. Professional books के ऊपर 40% depreciation ले लेना. Subscription to journals is expenditure. Refreshment charges expenditure. Rent of office expenditure. Telephone charges expenses. Printing expenses. Electric charges will be taken as expenditure. Purchase of car के ऊपर depreciation ले लो. Generally car is taxable at 15%. Computer purchased, okay, computer and other intangible assets will come under 25%. So depreciation ले लो वो. Car expenses is expenditure. Then contribution to public provident fund will not come. NSC purchased, these are also exempted securities, will not come and should not take. It is a capital expenditure. Bar association fees, it is a expenditure, you can take. Membership fees. Okay, these are the things you need to consider while doing the professional expenses related payments. Let us see additional information. One half of the car expenses, okay, pertain to personal use. So out of here, okay, out of here car expenses 7,000 are there. In that 1/2 is relating to profession, 1/2 is relating to office. So personal, so 7,000 into 1/2, 3,500 only we need to take. Depreciation, car at 50%, computer 40%. ओके, कंप्यूटर के ऊपर यहाँ पे 40% लेने के लिए बोल रहे, सो यू टेक बुक्स 40%. ओके, सो while taking computer, what I said 15 na, but in the additional information they are saying 40%, so take 40% for computer. Books के लिए भी 40% ही रहेगा, कैसे भी वो तो पता है. ओके, and car 15%, but out of this 15% also 1/2 only we need to take. So car purchased to 2,50,000 into 15% into 1/2 we need to take, because half of the car is used for personal purpose, so depreciation also will be allowed only on the half amount only. Then 25% of telephone expenses pertain to personal, so remaining 75% only related to office. Okay, so while taking telephone expenses we need to take 75%. So 18,000 telephone expenses into 75% only we need to take, because 25% is personal. Next, see, half of the electric charges are for the house. For the house he is saying. So if it is for house, personal nature, consider that one. Half of the electricity expenses for house purpose. So out of electricity expenses here we need to take half only. So 1 by 2 of 6,000, 3,000 we need to take. Next, gifts from clients 10,000 not included in the above. Okay, so this is additionally we need to take as a expenditure. Loan from bank is for personal use. Okay, so if any interest paid, is there any interest payment? Loan from bank, if any interest payment is there here, that should not be considered, because loan is for what? Personal purpose. But here didn't give, no problem at all, ignore that. So let us see the computation format. Computation of taxable income from profession. Mr. Bayrol Shah, advocate, resident, previous year 21-22, assessment year 22-23. आर्बिट्रेशन फीस, ओके, समझौता कर देते ना वैसे वाले. ఓకే, ఏమైనా లిటిగేషన్స్ ఉంటే వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి ఫీజు వస్తుంది. లీగల్ ఫీజ్, గిఫ్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ క్లయింట్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ బీన్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్, ప్రీవియస్లీ ఇట్ వాస్ నాట్ దేర్. నెక్స్ట్, దీస్ together total professional receipts 2,80,000. Expenses, as we said, whatever expenses will come that we will take. Staff salary is 15,000. Depreciation on professional books 18,000 into 40%. Subscription to generals will come full. Refreshment charges will come. Rent of office will come. Telephone charges, out of telephone charges 25% is personal, so 75% we are taking. Printing charges fully will come. Electricity 50% used for office, so 6,000 into 50%, 3,000. Depreciation, I said 15% into 1 by 2, because half of the it is for depreciation, half of the car is used for business purpose, half is for personal. So car purchase 2,50,000 into 15% into 1 by 2. Depreciation on computer, here they said take 40%, so we are taking 40%. Car expenses, half is used for business purpose, so 7,000 and 7,000 personal purpose will be ignored, 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 we need to take. Next, bar association fees is a expenditure for the lawyer. So this is how we need to solve the business related problem. Just 10 minutes we have finished the entire answer. So सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. शेयर करो, सब तक पहुंचा दो. जय हिंद.